Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to practice most important CDP previous year questions asked in CTET exam. These questions are concept based, application based and very useful for both paper 1 and paper 2. Watch this video till the end because I have added extra exam level questions also, and comment your score in a last. Let's start now. Question number 1. 50% of students fail in a science in a class 8. Teacher said she taught everything from the book and complete exercise. Investigation showed class environment was not conducive. Which factors were not conduction? Option 1. Use only lecture method. Option 2. No class discussion. Option 3. Not proper completion of chapter and exercise. Option 4. Too friendly with the class. Correct answer is option 1. Use of only lecture method. Only lecture method makes learning passive. Discussion and interaction are necessary for understanding. Question number 2. A father from a backward family did not allow his daughter to attend college. The daughter said, "Going to college will help me with." Option 1. Socialization. Option 2. Anxiety. Option 3. Value conflict. Option 4. Aggression. Correct answer is option 1. Socialization. College help in interaction, adjustment and learning social norms. Question number 3. Assertion reason. Assertion A. During adolescence, individual face identity crisis. Reason. Identity crisis occurs due to physical growth and hormonal changes. Correct answer is 2. A is true but R is not correct explanation of A. Identity crisis is a psychological and social, not only because of physical changes. Question number 4. A class 7 student from a disadvantaged section is mocked by peers. Teacher wants inclusive. What should teacher do? Option 1. Encourage identity based stereotypes. Option 2. Isolate students. Option 3. Group student by ability. Option 4. Create awareness and sensitivity towards diversity. Correct answer is option 4. Create awareness and sensitivity towards diversity. Inclusive means respect, acceptance and sensitivity. Question number 5. In a class of 15 children with different learning styles, child-centered teaching means. Option 1. One lesson plan for all. Option 2. Lesson plan based on each child's need. Option 3. Targeting average students. Option 4. One size fits all lesson. Correct answer is option 2. Lesson plan based on each child needs. Child-centered approach focuses on individual differences. Question number 6. Assertion reason. Cognitive development improves through cooperative play. Reason. Cooperative play involves rule following, idea sharing and negotiation. Correct answer is 1. Both A and R true. R explain A. Social interaction boosts thinking skills. Question number 7. A child does not participate in a class discussion and is called naughty. This behavior is outcome of option A. 1. Heredity. 2. Environment. 3. Strict teacher. 4. Appearance. 5. Only 1. Option 6. 1 and 2 only. 7. 1, 2, 3 only. 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Correct answer is 2. 1 and 2 only means heredity and environment. Both heredity and environment affect behavior. Question number 8. Assertion reason. Assertion A. According to Kohlberg, moral development moves from consequences to flexible rules. Reason. Moral development occurs in a progressive stage. Correct answer is 3. Both true. R explain A. Stages explain moral reasoning development. Question number 9. A 13-year-old girl feel sad after failing math. Which domain studies feeling? Option 1 anxiety development, option 2 emotional development, option 3 social culture development, option 4 moral development. Correct answer is option 2 emotional development. Emotional development deals with feelings. Question number 10. Twin brothers develop at a different rate from birth. This shows. Option 1 development is uniform, option 2 development is continuous, option 3 development is individual, option 4 development is predictable. Question number 11. Learning by doing was given by option A Piaget, option 2 Dewey, option 3 Skinner, option 4 Thorndike. Correct answer is 2 Dewey. Question number 12. Which stage is called identity versus role confession? Option 1 childhood, option 2 adolescence, option 3 adulthood, option 4 old age. Correct answer is 2 adolescence. Question number 13. Reward and punishment theory is given by option 1 Pavlov, option 2 Skinner, option 3 Bandura, option 4 Vygotsky. Correct answer is option 2 Skinner. Learning without reinforcement is option 1 operant conditioning, option 2 classical conditioning, option 3 insight learning, option 4 latent learning. Correct answer is option 4 latent learning. Question number 15. Which intelligence deals with self awareness? Option 1 interpersonal, option 2 intrapersonal, option 3 linguistic, option 4 logical. Correct answer is option 2 intrapersonal. Question number 16. Zone of proximal development is given by option 1 Piaget, option 2 Vygotsky, option 3 Brunner, option 4 Kohlberg. Correct answer is option 2 Vygotsky. Question number 17. A teacher encourages peer learning. This reflects option 1 behaviorism, option 2 constructivism, option 3 maturation, option 4 drill method. Correct answer is option 2 constructivism. Question number 18. Moral reasoning based on punishment is option 1 pre-conventional, option 2 conventional, option 3 post-conventional, option 4 autonomous. Correct answer is option 1 pre-conventional. Question number 19. Which play helps in a rule following? Option A solitary, option 2 parallel, option 3 cooperative, option 4 symbolic. Correct answer is option 3 cooperative. Question number 20. Inclusive classroom means option 1 same teaching for all, option 3 ignoring differences, option 3 respecting in diversity, option 4 segregation. Correct answer is option 3 respecting diversity.